Hey besties, welcome to Frugal but Chic. It's Karen. If you are new here, welcome. This is a space where we celebrate confidence, creativity, and showing up in style at any age. And if you're a returning bestie, girl, you already know so glad you're here. I wanted to start off the video by saying Happy Mother's Day to each and every one of you. Whether you're being celebrated today, holding space for a mother you miss, or navigating this day with a tender heart, I see you and I'm sending you lots of love. And just know that you are not alone. And because I believe getting dressed is a form of self-love, today's video is all about helping you show up feeling like you in the simplest way. So let's talk about white shoes. They're crisp, they're clean, they're everywhere, but let's be honest, they can feel hard to style. Too plain, too dressy, too much, I get it. But we're gonna change that. I'm styling 3 different white shoes and walking you through how I make each one work in real life. No overthinking, just vibes, confidence, and style that meets you right where you are. All right, so let me show you the 3 white shoes that I am gonna be styling up. So the first one are these white brogue Miu Mius. Absolutely love them. I love like the pointed toe. I love that it has like the black trim around it. And I love how it gives like a masculine but feminine vibe. So I'm gonna really try and work with these. And these have a little kitten heel on them. So the next shoe is these white Zara asymmetrical heels. Absolutely love them, and these are more like of a pure white, so I'm gonna have fun styling these up. Last ones are these. They're more like an off-white, not a true white color. They are also Zara but a peep toe, so these are so cute. Already I'm thinking like maybe I can try these with some socks and a little mini skirt. So let's see how I do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna style up all the outfits, I'm gonna show you them, and I'm gonna talk through just a little bit, but I'm gonna more have you just get into the vibe of the looks and how I put everything together. I'm not sure exactly how many looks I'm gonna be able to style up, but I'm gonna try and give you a variety. So if you wanna get into trying to style up some white shoes, or maybe you've been looking at white shoes and you're like, girl, I don't even know where to start, your bestie got you. So let's get into it.
Okay, besties, so the first shoe I'm going to be styling up are these Zara asymmetrical heels. They're more of a pure white color. So let's get into these looks. All right, besties, so we know that white is a neutral, so it lets bold spring colors like yellow and blue really shine. This combo to me just feels like sunshine, bright, happy, and easy. I would wear something like this either to brunch, maybe going out like on a date with hubby. I just love the way the 2 pieces pair together with the white shoes. Let's be honest, white heels don't need to steal the show. They're the piece that pulls everything together. With the black and white polka dot look like this, they keep it feeling fresh and clean without adding more contrast. Here's a style tip. If your outfit already has a strong pattern or color story, white heels are a great way to finish the look without competing with it. It's an easy way to keep things balanced but still polished. Raise your hand if you love an all-white look. You know those parties you get invited to where it's all white? Those always happen in the spring and summer. If you're ever unsure how to finish an all-white look, add a pop of color in your accessories. It keeps the outfit interesting without taking away the polish. Now, I know some people are going to come after me because if it's an all-white look, there's not supposed to be color, but I can't help it. I just love color. But if I got invited to an all-white, I'm going to adhere to the theme. All right, besties, by now you know I love a mini skirt and I love butter yellow. You'll be seeing me in tons of butter yellow this spring and summer, and you'll always find me in a mini skirt all year round. So tell me what you think about this look. So this is a butter yellow skirt from Zara paired with a sheer top and with the white shoes. All right, now let's get into these white Miu Miu brogue heels. I realize I do not wear these enough, but these heels, they need more of like a wide, exaggerated leg. But just look at them. They are so sharp. I love the feminine, masculine vibe of the shoe, and I can't wait to show you how I'm styling them up. Let's take this show on the road. All right, besties, so this look is all about color, but in a way that still feels wearable. The green pants, the striped top, the pink bag, they all have their own moment, but the white shoes help to ground everything. So just a quick style tip, when you're playing with bold colors, white shoes can help reset the look. They let everything shine without adding more to the mix. Okay, besties, so we've gone through 2 white shoes already. Let me know in the comments, how are you feeling now about styling up white shoes? So these last ones are Zara Peep Toe heel. They are off-white. I love the peep toe and the strap around the ankle. So let's see what outfits I'm able to put together with these. I do want to try socks with these, so let's see how it looks. Hey besties, do you ever put something on and think, can I even pull this off? Yeah, I feel the same way. But honestly, personal style is about trying, not just knowing. You won't figure out what works for you if you don't experiment. Some of my favorite looks came from just taking a chance, and I always want to encourage you to do the same. Okay, I know socks with heels can be a little unexpected, but sometimes it's the unexpected choices that make the look. It's playful, it's editorial, and adds a little edge to something super feminine like a little mini skirt. So style tip, don't overthink it. If the vibe feels fun and confident, go with it. That's what personal style is all about. Okay, besties, this has nothing to do with the white shoes, but when I do the try-on portion, I always have 90s music playing in the background, and of course, I can't get that music to match when I am editing, so I'm not dancing to this music. I know it looks very offbeat, but I just had to throw that out there.
All right, besties, I hope today gave you some fresh ideas and more importantly, a little style confidence. Remember, it's not about following rules, it's about wearing what makes you feel good. White shoes do not have to be intimidating. Believe me, I was intimidated at first. We just need a few outfit combos to remind us how versatile they are. And again, if you're celebrating Mother's Day today, I'm sending you extra love. And if today is a little tender for you, I'm sending you love too. This is a space for all of us, wherever we are and however we show up. So let me know in the comments which look was your fave, or if there's a pair of shoes in your closet that you've been avoiding or you've been like, I'm not sure how to do it. Let's see if you got some inspiration from today. And as always, you know I love to chat it up in the comments and put your feedback down. You may help another bestie out. And if this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also tune me 10K. hit 10K, we hit 10K, we hit 10K. Hey, hey, hey. That means I need to do a giveaway soon. So I need to just think about what I want to do and all of that. But that will be, we'll talk about it a little bit more in the next video, because next video I think I'm going to do a vlog. So I'll have more time to really chat it up with you all, catch you up all on everything that's going on. As always, besties, I love you so much. I appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you next week. Bye.